And back to what I was saying, our garden. So previously we planted honeydew melon and some lettuce. And I had to put in some onions because apparently that deters the rabbits from coming in and eating. They were snacking quite a bit on our lettuce. And so the onions seem to be helping. So we have lettuce, cabbage, lettuce. And our cucumbers and squash is super happy right now. Ever since I put some of the pine needles and grass clippings, it seemed to really make them happy. And this is the potatoes, which is kind of funny because the potatoes that I put down in there are the ones that were starting to sprout in our garage. And everything seems to be really happy right now. We've had some rain, we've had some sun, some warm days, and everything seems to be doing really well. More of our honeydew melon. And here is the broccoli. I mean, look at this. That's huge. And it hasn't even started flowering, I guess is what it's called. There's Luna. Hi, kitty. And I'm excited to see what happens when the tomatoes and the squash and cucumber starts vining up the arch trellis that we made. But everything is seriously thriving right now. I'm very proud. We did add some lavender and rosemary. My basil's taken a little bit to really start growing. He's growing kind of slow for some reason. But regardless, everything's looking really good. I'm very proud. And then here is the pumpkins. I mean, it's just crazy. They seem to be pretty happy. And I don't know for sure, but I think that might be tomatoes. But we're gonna have a lot of pumpkins. I'm not sure if I'm gonna thin it out or not, or just kind of let it go and see what happens. And then the honeydew melon. And I've kind of designated this spot for compost. And I have created a new compost area. I will show you where that's at. Luna on guard duty. And on our way to the new compost area, I want to show you the blackberries. My goodness, I'm just so excited about this. Look how many. There's going to be so many blackberries. I love it. I love it. I love it. These blooms are actually kind of big. Look at that. That's beautiful. There's going to be so many. Oh, this is crazy. We've had these for, I think, 4 years now. And last year was really the first time that they really started producing well. All right, here is the new compost area. We'll see what happens. And then then here, I transplanted some English ivy from our flower beds to back here because I want to see if we can kind of get somewhat of a ground cover back here. Because you can see it's just rocks and dirt. But there you have it. Our oasis. We love it here. We're proud of what we've done. We're proud of what we created. From painting the house, the lime wash, to just planting all kinds of things. Trees, bushes, flowers. Always flowers. Love, love, love flowers. And here is our backyard. Nothing real special or fancy, but it's ours and we love it.